Hey, what's up? This your girl Roro. Thanks for tuning into my channel, Lifestyle of a Penny Pincher. Yes, today is work from home day. Oh well, don't judge me. It is too early in the morning to be trying to get all cute and everything just to do a video. I had a client to call me late last night saying she wanted a birthday shirt for her daughter, Minnie Mouse. You know, her theme is Minnie Mouse. So I'm like, okay, this is the best time for me to do a video and show y'all how to do different designs in Cricut. So I have my coffee and everything. I'm ready, y'all. I'm trying to get woke. I'm not quite there yet, so work with me. And do not forget to subscribe and like my video, guys. That is so rude for y'all to be taking the materials that I'm giving y'all and not even liking it or subscribing. And don't cost anything. That's just like going to a restaurant and the waitress give you good customer service and you don't even tip her. Really? Tip your girl. All right. And I apologize in advance for my voice. I had a basketball game over the weekend. My son, hey man, if you had a game and you heard that lady that's all loud and everything, that's me. If you ever see me, do not sit next to me. I am super loud. And I talk noise to everybody. So hey, yeah, there you have it. Oh well, that's my life. Stay tuned. Okay, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and find you the image that you want to upload. Save image, name image. I'm going to name her Minnie. You always want to name your images just because you don't want it to be image 1, image 2, image 3. So that way when it's time for you to go and look for it in your folder, you can be able to find it easy. So now we're going to go ahead and upload. And there she is. Click on her. Open it. So now it's time to go ahead and make all of this design where Cricut will be able to print it out. If we was to just put this right on Cricut right now, it'll be just a black background. So let's go. I'm going to choose complex because of the different colors and it's more a harder image versus just a simple image. Multiple colors, I guess that's the difference. So let's go ahead and click on complex. So now zoom in so you can be able to see your picture. So the first thing people do when they get to this screen here is just start clicking. So right now you see like all the little pieces still left over. Let's see how it look once it's time to print it. Bam. This is not, you don't want this. So you can see the whole thing. Your Cricut is going to pick up all these little pieces. And if you ever be printing and you wonder why it's taking so long, it's because the machine is picking up all of this. So let's take all of this out. That's when you go to a more advanced color. You letting your printer know that you have a more complex image to deal with. Undo. Advanced options right over here. Your coloring tolerance. The higher your tolerance is, the more it will trim out the image to your likings. So now when you start trimming it out, it's a little bit more detailed and you don't have all those extra little pieces. Your printer will be able to give you a trim or smooth printout. So right now, all I'm going to do is go ahead and click on everything that's not black. Click on the image. Insert it. And here you have it. So today we're going to be doing layering. Layering is when you be able to take multiple colors and put it on one and make one total design. So instead of like if her bow is pink, her dress is blue and all that, I don't have to like print this whole design blue, print this whole design pink like that. Then I can layer this design and put each little pieces onto the design to make one total image. I apologize. Y'all know sometimes I get talked on it. So what you're going to do is click on it, copy, paste it. Okay, so once you go ahead and copy and paste her 5 times, now let's get started with the layering. And all I'm going to do is each design is going to be a different color, like a different bow, a different dress, a different hands. All those are going to be a different color. The first one, go down at the bottom of your screen to contour. Hide all. Click back on the screen, and here you have it. All black. This is going to be our basic designs because of her legs are black, her arms and some more other stuff are black. Go to your next image that you copied and pasted. Now let's work on the shoes and the bows. Those are the same color. So once again, you go down to the contour, hide all. You can always make the image smaller so you can be able to see what you're working with. So now what I'm doing, I'm going to each picture and I'm only clicking on the piece that I don't want to be hidden and adding it to the full picture. Once I get through, then I will click on Make It. Cricut divides every different color that you have up for you because the machine is thinking that you want these to be on different boards. So we're not going to do that. We're going to go ahead and make this whole image be black. So that way when it's time for Cricut to cut it, it's all on one board. We don't have to be switching it out. It just makes it more easier. So here you have every last one of your images. Make sure you mirror image. I always mirror image first just so I won't forget. So now what I'm doing is go ahead and separating all of my pieces. So that way I can put my material in that spot. So like this spot will be black. This spot here, a little piece of material will be white. This little piece of material will be brown, tan, whatever the case may be. This material will be whatever you want her dress to be. This material right here will be whatever you want her bow and shoes to be. And all you got to do is continue and your machine will cut out every little piece. All right, there y'all have it, guys. That's how you do layering a image in a design space. Thank y'all so much for tuning into my channel, Lifestyle of a Penny Pincher. And do not forget to subscribe. And if y'all like my video, go ahead and share it and give me a thumbs up.